Hey everyone, I want to talk to you today about the age-old question or debate, that is whether or not you should bag your grass or mulch it. It's really quite a simple answer to that. In North Texas, we've got basically three types of grass, primarily Bermuda and some St. Augustine, and then a little bit of zoysia here and there, maybe a couple of others, but we've got all warm season grass here. And all these warm season grasses, you want to mulch. You don't want to bag them. Bagging is more of a cool season grass thing. They do a lot of that up north where they're doing it regularly on a consistent basis. Down here, we don't have to worry about it. You need to be mulching your grass, not bagging it. It actually is beneficial to your lawn. You're just recycling those clippings. They're adding nutrients back into your lawn. It's self-composting, so it really makes for a healthy lawn. Now, there are some issues that can arise from mulching if you're not mowing properly. If you're waiting too long between your mows, letting your grass get too thick, too long, that's whenever issues can start to arise with your mulching, and you might have to bag on occasion. But for the most part, if you're taking good care of your lawn, you have a healthy lawn, you're mowing it consistently, always go ahead and mulch it. Don't try to bag it. It's not worth it. It's much more better for your lawn if you mulch those clippings. So hope that helps. Have any questions about it? Let us know. Thanks.